Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. The next question comes from Sandra, and Sandra writes from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And Sandra writes, I read somewhere that a condo is a stepping stone to a single-family home. My boyfriend and I are thinking about buying a condo until we get married and start a family. How do we evaluate a condo's resale and rental potential before we buy? Well, that's a good question, Sandra. I've actually developed several condominium complexes, and unfortunately, none of us have a crystal ball and can predict real estate market movements. But what we can do is make the best decision today with the information that we have today. And what you want to do is make apples to apples comparisons with similar condominiums that you're looking at, right? To see how attractive your condominium is going to be to other buyers, right? So if you're looking at a studio, you want to look at other studio condominiums. If you're looking at a one bedroom, you want to look at other one bedrooms. Because when you turn around to sell this condominium, all the prospective or potential buyers, they're going to be looking at your condo and all the other similar condos in your market. So in terms of, trying to predict the attractiveness or resaleability of it, look at how attractive the one that you're going to buy is versus the other ones in the market right now. That's one thing. The other thing to consider is that lenders do a risk assessment of condominium buildings before they lend. And so what you want to also know and look at and consider is how attractive the building that your condominium is in to potential lenders, right? And I'm going to tell you why this is important. But what lenders look at, they look at a number of factors. One of the main ones is the percentage of owners in a condominium complex. The higher the percentage, the better, right? And so lenders do a risk assessment, and if that percentage of owners is low, they might not want to lend in that building. Well, that could potentially have a big impact on your ability to resell your condo if your potential buyer is unable to get a mortgage to buy your condominium. So again, you want to look at percentage of owners to percentage of renters. The higher the percentage of owners, normally that will increase the saleability, make it easier for you to resell your condo. So hopefully that answers your question, Sandra. Thank you for asking. For more real estate tips, free special reports, and information on my real estate coaching program, visit performanceproperty.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.